YouTube. Today is Saturday. We are nearing the end of August, and I have a Walmart haul for you. This has been a really crazy week. Many of these things will carry through 2 weeks. I just went ahead and did my shopping today instead of waiting for payday on Monday. We have had just an exhausting time, which is fine. It is life. It is the way it happens. I calculated I have spent about 14 hours in the car total this week, going back and forth to be with my family. We did have a funeral, and then we are also getting ready for the joys of life, and we're getting ready to celebrate a wedding. But just lots of time in the car. I also worked 52 hours, and it has been crazy. So if you are here and you like to see a lot of fresh vegetables and healthy items, this is probably not the haul for you. Just so happens on this haul, I needed to stock up a lot of pantry items, and I did shop for things on sale. I did not choose to go to Aldi today. We did do Walmart, and I will show you what I got. Mattia also leaves for camp, so some of the items we got are for him. I picked up a package of chimichangas. These are just, Andrea will grab one of these when he comes home from work, or just something extra. I did pick up some pierogies. I picked up some mixed vegetables. We will either eat these, or if you've watched me for a while. And also, Andrea's putting stuff away because it's 9 p.m. The lighting is not great in here. It is super dark. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. But we bought the mixed vegetables because we do make dog food for our dogs. It's probably going to be really loud. And then some chicken fries. This is just for a quick meal or Ashton before work. I picked up the dinners that I will substitute to take to work with me for lunch. I picked up just a roasted turkey breast. This is a favorite, and then the glazed turkey tenderloins. I also picked up some lean pockets, and this one is for Ashton. It is the chicken ranchero mini wraps. I have to say, I sometimes really like the Eggo, the little cinnamon toast waffles. I just actually toast these and take one and eat it in traffic in my car with my coffee. I was kind of excited about the mini street tacos since it's just Andrea, Mattia, and Ashton and I this week. I thought I would, because you know, teenagers, if I've made mini tacos, I think Mattia would eat that entire pack by himself. So I thought I would make us some little street tacos. I will have to check out my meat situation. I do have some meat stores in my freezer, so I'm not for sure if it will be chicken, some steak or beef, or probably not ground beef, so it'll be chicken or beef. And then I do pick up the flour tortillas. We like these for wraps or chicken wraps. I also picked up some boxed, I can't even talk. I'm so tired. I've not slept in a day, so I'm exhausted. Some rice-a-roni, chicken and garlic. This is just for a side. I did pick these up. It is still summer break, so over the next couple weeks, the kids will make these and share it for lunch while we're at work. So this is just a pastaroni, a Parmesan cheese, and a garlic butter. I also, Andrea saw these and he wanted to get both of them. Like I said, we will probably not eat these within the next week or so. It'll carry through, but this is a great value, is offering the white cheddar and black pepper macaroni and cheese. And then they also had an Italian 5 cheese. These were like $2.34 a box. So with, we do a lot of grilling. This is just a great side. And then some rotini. Again, we have a wedding next weekend, and I think I am taking pasta salad, but I can't remember. So I picked that up. I did pick up a chuck pot roast. We like these in the crock pot. It's not a favorite of Mattia's, so we will probably make this one day while I'm at work. And then the leftover meat I was thinking we might use for the street tacos, because we'll have some left over. These are Takis. They are very, very spicy. This is for Mattia to take on the church van bus with him to church camp to share. And then I just picked us up some cheddar and sour cream chips. This was mine in the car. Walmart, I'm not for sure what happened, but they were almost completely out of fresh vegetables and fruits and meats, and a lot of their shelves were bare. So we're not for sure what happened, but I had to get organic because that's all they had. But these were 98 cents, so not too bad. So I got those to make. I did pick up a pineapple. I was really wanting a watermelon. They looked like they were really good, and they were $2.50. And of course, to test if it was ripe, I was able to just completely just pull the middle piece out. So I'm looking forward to that. I picked up some tomatoes because we just eat tons of tomatoes. We just eat them as a side. Some olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, and some breadcrumbs. No particular plans for these this week. It's just that I knew we were totally out. We actually needed breadcrumbs last week, and I did not have any. Andrea picked up a fresh mozzarella ball. Again, sorry for the lighting. We are liking this Castlewood. This is, oh, darn, it's the honey ham. That's okay. I thought it was just the baked ham, but uncured ham and the turkey, we are really liking those. I picked up a few ramen. When you have teenagers, it's just, you know, or anyone. So I have a chili flavor, and then I got 2 sriracha. The kids love those, and then a chicken tortilla. Picked up a package of pepperoni. I thought I might make Andrea Ashton and I a pizza at one point during the week. I also picked up a light brown sugar because I noticed the kids had done some baking, and I think I'm about out of brown sugar. And then this is a great buy. Walmart's really competing with Aldi. This entire bag was $3. It is 24 ounces, 4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and $3. You cannot beat that. Picked up a spaghetti seasoning mix. Again, I don't plan on making spaghetti, but this is just great if we would end up with a bunch of guests or something, that I can whip up some pasta with some tomato sauce, a half gallon of milk because we've not been going through the milk as fast, and some orange juice. I did pick up curry powder. My kids are absolutely loving chicken curry, and I had bought it for them at the Indian restaurant, and I am tired of paying $12 for about 2 cups of chicken curry. So I'm going to be making that for my kids. I was really excited that they had puff pastry. This is something my Italian mother-in-law cooks with in Italy a lot, and Andrea had an idea for that. Picked up some bananas. I just picked the ones, again, that people, if they discard one, because I take mine apart anyway. I picked up some Crisco because I'm totally out, and I seasoned my cast iron with that as well. I also picked up Pop-Tarts because that was Andrea's request. Again, probably for Mattia, these toasted cheese and crackers. He can stick those in his duffel bag. Picked up a box of Cheez-Its, 2 gallons of water. Andrea picked up chocolate covered donuts. He also picked up some pickled eggs. This is the Thai Kitchen, the coconut milk for the chicken curry. I picked up some Nutella, again, Andrea's pick. I wanted some roasted and salted cashews. I swore I picked up a container of these at Aldi. I almost remember even bagging them and then couldn't find them. So I really think a teenager ran off with my cashews. This was what Andrea wanted to do with the puff pastry. He wanted to do a strawberry and a blueberry. Yeah, but I'm not so sure. And that puff pastry was $4. So didn't even look at it. A Smirnoff Ice. Sorry, it's been that kind of week. But no, just kidding. Actually, these were for Andrea. I have stomach issues and yeah, just can't do it. But the Pepsi is mine. I will take full credit. Some caramel macchiato, coffee creamer. I like to get the big one. It's just a little bit of savings. Did not go to Costco because it's a trap this week. So picked up the Maxwell House Bold. Picked up a bag of dog food for the dogs. Picked up some butter that I busted open. Some sour cream. Some Mexican cheese, Kraft cheese, some sliced hot jalapeno and habanero cheese, some string cheese, And Andrea's putting stuff away. Please hold. Yes. A kit and some applewood bacon. So that was kind of the status of my fridge. I took some onions at work. Other than that, it was really running low. Still have some mangoes and stuff left over from last trip. Let's swing around here. Just an all over grocery haul. Bad filming, bad lining. I love you guys. Some pitted dates. I really have been wanting dates again. And some cheese and garlic croutons. Zooming over here. Picked up a loaf of bread. 3 Powerades. That is for Mattia to take to camp. Also picked up a roll of paper towels. Got the 18 count eggs. Picked up some paper plates. Some liquid plumber for an upstairs toilet. Picked up a medicine container for Mattia's medicine to take, and our old one has a lid broken. He also takes melatonin, and I didn't want to put it in the daily because that will be the medicine he takes during the day. So I thought I would just count out the melatonin he would need and put that many in a little container. These were cute, 2 little pill containers for $1. Picked up some bulbs for my Scentsy warmer. Picked up a filter for my turtle tank. And then I picked up some Country Living, this is orchard apples, fresh air orchard apples. It smells really good. And then the last thing that we got that Mattia had to have, we had a sleeping bag that had made it through 4 kids. Our oldest is 26. Gosh, I'm old. And we finally had to toss it after church camp last year. So Mattia got a sleeping bag. So that was $20. So this brought my whole total to $250. Again, that's for the food and non-food items. It is a mismatched bunch of stuff. And I so much appreciate you guys and just love you and thank you for watching. And I will get this posted for you. Please be sure to thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos, and be sure you see those, hit the little bell, and I will be talking to you in the comments. See you again. Bye.